Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your week 5 screencast video. So, hopefully after last week's unit on the introduction and especially completing exercise 2, I hope everybody's notion or understanding or even thinking about the research essay has evolved. Okay, so this week we're going to begin our process in developing a research topic that will carry you through the semester. So we're going to spend 2 weeks on chapter 1, working through discussion boards 7 and 8 this week, and I believe discussion board number 9 next week is where you write your topic proposal. That's the important board moving forward. So I will post the lecture video later in the week. I will review Ballinger's theories of intelligence and the reasoning behind that. And also, it might provide you some more context to research and write on a relevant topic. I would really prefer everybody develop a relevant topic and your own topic to write about this semester. I will also talk about the discourse community and the notion of how you might be able to find a relevant topic within the concept of a discourse community. So if you look on page 9 and 10, Ballinger himself talks about discourse communities. So you might want to give that go back and give that a read before we dive into chapter 1 and developing a topic. So as I say here in the schedule, we do have discussion boards 7 and 8. They're pretty straightforward discussion boards. Discussion board number 7 is exercise 1.1 in the textbook. So I want you to be able to read these instructions clearly, look at the textbook. If you have any questions, please send me an email. It's pretty straightforward about the discussion board post. Also, discussion board number 8 is exercise 1.4. This is hopefully due on Friday. We'll have the lecture video, and we'll start working and doing some brainstorming on possible research topics that would develop for you and enable you to write exercise 1.5 next week. So we're going to spend some time on this. This is a lot of fast writing activities happening here and searching for a research topic. I've also opened up the chapter 1 module. You want to quickly work through the overview. The reading schedule for the 2 weeks are here. You have a week 5 and a week 6 reading schedule. As always, I will post the lecture videos as I produce those each week. All right. So we'll work through that and all of the different discussion board or the activities for this particular unit. Like I mentioned, I will discuss in detail the discourse community in this week's lecture video. I have at this time completed grading all of the critical thinking essays. If you have any questions or issues, you can send me an email. Better yet, next Tuesday, it would be the 16th, I have virtual office hours from 10 to 12. I published the link out. I'll push it out again next week. So you can talk about your particular critical thinking essay. You may want to read my comments, read the instructions, view the lecture video where I talk about the assignment with my Google slide presentation. And then if you have any questions, you can pop in and talk to me. All right. So that's it for the screencast video. Look for the lecture video later in the week. Good luck. Stay safe.